From the time I was 30 to the time I turned 80, it's just one big thing. After they went up into the air and with that blink there, everything changed. Everybody with a laptop, everything advanced, everything is quick, fast, I want it now. And we're in the want it now generation.
Has technological advancement created such a steep generational divide that users of old and new technologies cannot even talk to one another anymore? Where better to explore this question than my very own research space at Concordia University in Montreal, Quebec. Hi, Kim.
Hi, my name is Kim Sawchuk, and I'm a professor in the Department of Communication Studies at Concordia University and the co-director of the Mobile Media Lab. The lab was founded about 6 years ago as a collaborative lab with York University. One of the projects that we're doing is called Active Aging Mobile Technologies, which was funded by SSHRC, and that's evolved into the Aging Communications Media Network, which is a group of researchers who are dealing with ways that we can deal with older adults as participants in terms of the digital agenda.
One of those researchers is from York University in Toronto. I gave her a call on Skype.
Hi, my name's Barbara Crow, and I'm the Interim Dean of Graduate Studies at York University. There's so many things that the research project has been able to accomplish outside of a traditional academic sense. Relationships were built and made. We've been able to make an intervention in the research literature. We've got an opportunity to share histories and knowledge from communities that we don't necessarily hear from, and we've done it in an intergenerational way.
There's two things we've done with the SSHRC funding that I think are really important to mention, and one is directly related to the goals of the Connection grant. We've used it to develop connections with researchers nationally and internationally. We've also used the funding to fund what we call small pilot projects that are very targeted experiments by the network researchers, always in collaboration with students, usually in collaboration with a community or a space.
I was lucky enough to work on a project this summer. Together with the Atwater Library, we helped older adults learn to digitize their photographs. We projected these photographs into the library windows, creating a public installation of personal histories. We called the project Memory Space.
I think the research is important because it overturns and questions those assumptions we have around generational divide in media, but it also provides a far more nuanced depiction of what it means to grow older.
Keep a positive attitude that life is great. You can always have a lot of fun, you know.
Rather than seeing things from just the perspective of the new, it makes us think about, well, what does it mean to examine things from the perspective of people who are often set aside as the non-exuberant users, as the cohort who's often seen as outside. It makes you understand that they're not outside. Their positionality is one that can offer us insight. Their positionality is one that can offer us insight.